from St. Joan of Arc, Miss Penelope D. Ubay, with high honors.
Pwede ka manihod, isa man ka. Ikaw bitaw kito, no?
Hello.
The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. As students, this common quotation resonates with the majority of us. Well, before I move further, let me acknowledge first our beloved principal, Ms. Maria Roberta P. Lopez, LPT, our Junior High School Department Academic Coordinator, Ms. Jennifer V. Abello, LPT, our Elementary Department Academic Coordinator, Ms. Pamela A. Villos, LPT, our proud parents, guardians, faculty and staff, friends, ladies and gentlemen in attendance, and significantly, our distinguished honor students, together those with perfect attendance. A pleasant day to all of you. First and foremost, I would like to give thanks to our Almighty God for blessing us abundantly with skills, loving family and friends, and also for always guiding us to the right path. I do firmly believe that our academic giftedness is from Him, and so is our wisdom. For without His presence, any of this would not be possible. Secondly, to our teachers, the administrators, and staff of the school. Please extend our appreciation to you all on behalf of the batch 2023 to 2024. You have provided us not just an avenue for learning, but a second home, where we can develop our potentials to the highest level. I appreciate you for instilling knowledge and values into our young hearts and minds. Thank you very much for this great opportunity, our dear teachers. Last but not the least, to our dear parents and guardians who put up everything they could for our sake. Indeed, they are our real-life superheroes for believing in us, for their unconditional love, for all of their hard work and sacrifices. Thank you. As I have mentioned earlier, the root of education is bitter, but the fruit is sweet. This is very true to us. Our education journey is not a walk in the park. It is really amazing to look back on how we have dealt with sleepless nights, to prepare ourselves for exams, to do our homework while meeting project deadlines, along with constant pressure, weight of everyone's expectations, and difficulty. But we have conquered them all and made it today. Always be reminded that this is just the start of our greater responsibilities towards our studies. Keep it up. Although there were times we felt tired, envious, and challenged by some circumstances in life, but that certainly did not stop us from reaching our goal. With sheer determination and optimism, we eventually made it. And now, it pays off. We are reaping the fruits of our labor. The so-called sweet fruit of education is now on our hand. So, to all who are aspiring for greater things, always believe in yourself. Put up a great deal of hard work, dedication, determination, self-discipline, and faith to God. Keep up the good work and trust the process that one day we will all taste the sweet fruit of our hard work in education. Thank you so much, Padayon Alfanian.